Recording.
Alright, I felt like being full Confederate, and I put it in this nice little holster that this trench coat has. Isn't that nice? By the way, it is on the safety notch, so this isn't as dangerous, so. See? Alright. I think that's all of them. I noticed I pulled some of the shots, but 3 of them, do you see that? They're like right perfect, right next to each other.
Yeah, good grouping on those.
And I had a better trigger pull when I did that. So, big thing about this gun is you got to have a good trigger pull. And like almost every last cap stayed on.
At least they didn't fall off.
But yeah. Don't that look cool?